You know that feeling, a lump in your throat, a tremor in your voice. Then the tears come, hot and fast, blurring your vision. After the storm passes, you look in the mirror, your face is streaked, your nose is running, and your eyes, they're undeniably red, often swollen, and a little itchy. But why does this happen? Why do our eyes turn so distinctly red after a good cry? It's a common experience, yet the exact science behind it is fascinating. Let's peel back the layers of this everyday mystery together. First, consider the act of crying itself. Tears are produced by lacrimal glands located just above your eyes. When you cry, these glands go into overdrive, producing a rush of liquid. This liquid, a mix of water, oil, and mucus, cleanses and lubricates, but tears themselves aren't red. So what's really causing the color change? The redness comes from something happening around your eyes. Specifically, it's about the tiny blood vessels in and around your eyeballs. These delicate vessels are usually almost invisible to the naked eye. However, under certain conditions, they can become much more prominent. What makes them suddenly stand out so vividly after you've been crying? The answer lies in a physiological response called vasodilation. Vasodilation is when blood vessels expand or widen, allowing more blood flow. Imagine tiny pipes suddenly increasing their diameter to let more water through. When you cry, several factors trigger this expansion in your eye area. One key factor is the physical act of crying itself. The muscles around your eyes contract repeatedly, squeezing and straining. This physical exertion can increase blood flow to the surrounding tissues. But it's not just physical strain. Your body's emotional response plays a huge part. When we experience strong emotions, our autonomic nervous system kicks in. This system controls involuntary bodily functions like heart rate and breathing. Crying, especially emotional crying, is often a stress response. The body perceives stress and reacts by increasing blood flow to certain areas. This increased blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. Here's the truly surprising part. Emotional tears are chemically different. Unlike reflex tears, they contain higher concentrations of stress hormones. These hormones, when released, can directly influence blood vessel dilation. So your body is literally flushing out stress-related compounds. There are actually 3 types of tears our eyes produce. Basal tears constantly lubricate and protect your eyes throughout the day. Reflex tears appear when you cut an onion or get dust in your eye. And then there are emotional tears triggered by feelings like sadness or joy. Emotional tears are theorized to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This system helps calm the body, acting like a rest and digest switch. The dilation of blood vessels is part of this overall physiological process. It's a complex interplay of nerves, hormones, and physical reactions. While we understand the basic mechanics, some aspects are still being explored. For instance, the exact role of specific neuropeptides in tears is still a mystery. Scientists are still researching how crying truly impacts our emotional well-being. What is certain is that crying is a deeply human and complex response. It's not merely a physical reaction, but a profound emotional release. The redness in our eyes is a visible testament to this internal process. It shows the intensity of the emotions we're experiencing. Next time you feel those tears welling up, remember this intricate dance. Your body is working hard, trying to process and regulate. It's a reminder of our shared vulnerability and incredible biological design. So don't be afraid to let those tears flow when needed. Your eyes might get a little red, but it's all part of being human. What's your most memorable crying experience? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more everyday curiosities. We'll keep exploring the amazing science behind our daily lives. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you.